I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam error of not enough free disk space. The first thing we need to do is open up Steam. In the top left, click Steam and then click Settings. With the Settings window now open, scroll down and navigate to Downloads. Scroll down again until you see Clear Download Cache and then click Clear Cache. Just be mindful that you will need to re-log in after you press this button. Once you're back, navigate to the top left again, click Steam, and then click Settings again. On the left, select Storage, and here you want to click this drop down at the very top and either select a drive that has adequate space for the download you're trying to do, or click Add Drive if one of your drives is missing, and then select it so that it becomes the new default drive. Once you've done that, press the three dots on the right here, click Repair Library, give that a few moments to do so, and then you should be able to now download and install the game that you were trying to do. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.